My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have here is the North Face StormBreak 2-person tent, and in this episode we are waterproof testing it. As it stands right now, it is lightly raining and we are surrounded by thunderstorms, all of which are coming this way. Over the course of the next 8 hours or so, we are going to waterproof test this tent to see how well it performs. The big question is whether or not this tent is going to have any issues. What is your prediction? Comment down below. As far as my prediction goes, I do not think this tent is going to leak. North Face knows what they're doing when it comes to waterproof tents. Plus, this tent is called the StormBreak. It would be funny if it leaked, right? I recently purchased this tent and begun testing it out, but the thing is this. I've been testing out StormBreak tents for many years now with my friends, and we've had no bad experiences. While the overall design of these tents could be a little bit better, all in all, these are good performers. And hopefully that is going to show in this episode. That, everyone, is what this episode is all about. Let it rain, let it rain. I will bring you all back in just a little bit once heavier rain is falling. As an update, everybody, it has been raining for roughly 1 hour. The intensity has really picked up and it's raining quite hard at the moment. For this rain test episode, I have set up a tarp over my 4Runner, and that is my home base. I'm able to stay dry while keeping an eye out on this tent. So far, this has been an excellent rain test for this shelter, but we're not done yet. It's going to rain for hours and hours longer. With this test, it's all about putting this tent through its paces to see whether or not it's waterproof. We're not talking about a short duration rain event. We're talking about prolonged rain of varying intensities. That is how I waterproof test a shelter here at the Outdoor Gear Review. It is now the moment of truth time for the StormBreak 2-person tent. Did it leak? This tent has been out in the rain for over 6.5 hours. 6.5 steady hours of rain, most of that moderate to heavy. Let's find out whether or not it leaked. Good news, everybody. This tent did not leak. This is without a doubt a very impressive waterproof result. This tent has not leaked even after 6.5 hours of heavy rainfall. Way to go, North Face. This matches basically all of the testing that I've done in the past with previous versions of this tent that I've used with my buddies and so on. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel as I continue with my testing of this tent, and ultimately my review will be going up. If you enjoyed this episode, if you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Everybody, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.